gotta love this body style Caddy. Take a look at this. This is that 70s era written all over it. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, believed to be an original mile car, less than 30,000 showing on the odometer. Ruidoso saddle metallic, medium saddle grain leather interior, that Landau vinyl top. 425 V8 underneath the hood with the Quadrajet 4-barrel on it. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front, the grille, and of course the Cadillac wreath hood ornament. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Filler panels. If you're familiar with these cars at all, take a look at those filler panels. Looking good on the passenger side. Peek over here at the driver's side. Looks good there. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. So click on that link in the description if you're watching on YouTube. Boom, right to our website. You can call us 507-386-1726. I love these Cadillac wheel covers, painted to match. White wall radials, classic look. Let's take a peek down the passenger side of this car. Look at how nice and straight these long panels are, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, that medium saddle green leather interior. Now, we do have a little dried out and cracking area on the top of that seat, probably from some heat. This is actually an original California and Arizona car. So you get a look at the interior, the pillow cushioned seats, very stock looking dash. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Missing lens on the side lamp, but I want to show you the vinyl is in nice shape. Coming to the rear and the filler panels. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work on the rear bumper. Looks good back there. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Technicians did note the AC. It is still R12. Not converted, but could use some TLC to blow cold. Heater core is bypassed, probably poor heater core. Once again, previously titled California and Arizona. So we take a look down the driver's side. If you're into Cadillacs, maybe like Eldorados in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor. You can see the reflection in the paint, so it does have a nice shine to it, deep gloss. And no major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a spot where it's touched up here or there. You can even really see that, it's pretty minute. We will start this up, let you hear it run. I'm going to show you how nice and clean and tidy this engine bay is. This car has dual power seats. Of course, power windows, power locks. All the amenities you're going to have in a 78 Cadillac, nicely equipped. And look at the condition of the seat over here. Free of rips, tears, and holes on the driver's side. Love these steering wheels. Take a look at that. All right, so there is exact miles, 28,916. We will fire this up so you can hear it run. This one fires up very easily. Fuel gauge up here, if you can see that came up. Of course, your climate control would be over on the left. Antenna. You can hear it run. without the radio anyways. AM, FM, 8-track. Radio does work. Dash looks like it's in good shape. Appears it was stored indoors. Majority of its life anyway. It's not really discolored, cracked, brittle, anything like that. How about headliner? Looks good. Door closes nicely. It's a big door too. Take a listen. Let me slip up to the front. It's a big hood. It's going to take me 2 hands. So I'm going to pause this a second. We'll check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Here we go. 425, and you can just see lack of corrosion, inner fender wells up on the cowl. Engine extremely nice shape. HEI ignition, power steering, power brakes, AC, but remember what I mentioned about the AC. Radiator support, very clean. Good looking engine bay. You're also going to be able to see a still picture of the data tag or cowl tag, the VIN if you want to do any decoding on any of that. This car looking very much the way it would have looked back in 1978 sitting at the Cadillac dealer. There you go, 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, believed to be an original mile car, less than 30,000. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado in some very 1978 colors. Kind of a tan brown, reddish brown interior, very nice. Kind of just a good leather color, I guess you'd say. And then brown exterior with some wood grain thrown in, just for that 70s flavor. This Cadillac does say Biarritz right here on the dash, which signifies a higher end. Our factory radio is working.
90, the Dow Industrial Average.
And the speedometer is working as well. Not a lot of other gauges. The rest are going to be warning lights for the most part. Factory horn definitely sounds like a Cadillac and working as it should. The blower motor works on this car. The windshield wipers also working. I can barely feel the road. This is the luxurious ride of a 78 Cadillac. Soft, cushiony split bench seat on nice soft suspension, made for the road, made for luxury and comfort. Excellent power steering, nearly effortless to turn. Luxurious through the corners, yet easy to steer. Leather seating in this Cadillac. A real throwback, in excellent condition for the most part. When looking at this interior, I'm not even seeing much for cracks in the dash or anything in front of the driver. Power brakes are working very well. Got that iconic Cadillac hood ornament right up there in the front of the hood. Take a look at all the pictures and see all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.